Now the question number 7. In question number 7 it is given the adjacent figure HOPE hope is a parallelogram. Then we have to find the angle measure XYZ and state the property you use to find them. So here also we have to find the value of X, Y and Z, and it is given the parallelogram. So HOPE is what? Parallelogram, and we have to find the value of X, Y and Z. So now see here how we will get this X, Y and Z. This Z we know how what is the value of Z, we cannot find from here. It is forming a triangle, we don't know any angle here. This is also here forming a triangle, but we know only one angle. This angle we don't know. From here only we can get the Y. Why? Because this line and this line is parallel. It is making a Z, you can see here. So this angle and this angle is alternate interior angle. So we can get only the Y from here. But Z and X now also we cannot find. So we have to take the use of this angle and we will find what? This inside angle. See here we don't know what is the angle. So we have taken this A. If we will get this A, so see X also will get Y. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So what the A will come, that is also the X. But how this A will come? This we are seeing, this is what? A straight line. So this is the straight line. So the sum of this two angle is how much? 180 degree, because we have learned if it is a straight line, so the adjacent angle sum is 180 degree by the linear pair angle. The sum of this two angle is 180 degree. So first we are going to find the A. So A plus 70 degree equals to how much? 180 degree. We have applied the linear pair angle. So the sum of the two adjacent angle on a straight line, the sum is how much? 180 degree. So this is known as the linear pair angle. So from here A equals to how much? 180 degree minus 70. So A equals to how much? 110 degree, and X equals to A. Why? We know the property opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So X equals to how much? 110 degree. So X we have got this one, how much? 110 degree. Now we have to find the Y and Z, and this A is how much? 110 degree. So see, this is the Y 40 and this is Y. So one is where? Left side, and one is where? On the right side. And this 2 is the parallel line, and this is what? Transversal line. So it is forming again a Z like this. So we know that if it is forming a Z, the upward, downward, or any shape of the Z it is coming. So these two angles are known as the alternate interior angle. These two are the parallel line, and this is transversal line. So here also Y equals to how much? 40 degree. Y alternate interior angle. So alternate interior angle are equals, this Y equals to how much? 40 degree. Now see this Y we have got 40 degree. We have to find what? Z. So now you can see this HOP, it is forming a triangle. When it is forming a triangle, so this two angle we know, so we can easily find the Z by the angle sum property of triangle. The sum of all three angles is how much? 180 degree. So if we can apply that property here. You don't want to apply that property, then here we can apply this angle, and this angle is corresponding angles. So from there also we can find the Z. There are so many other methods also to find the Z or the other X and Y. So other method is also there. So which method you find easy, you can find with that method also. But here we are finding what? This angle we know, this we know, Z we have to find, and HOP, it is forming a triangle. So we will apply what? Angle sum property of triangle. So in triangle HOP, angle sum property. So with the angle sum property we will find here. So what will come? That A plus y plus z equals to 180 degree. So we will add z, a and y. What will come? 180. Now a is how much? 110. So what will come? 110 degree. Y is how much? 40. So what will come? 40 degree. A we don't know, and the sum is how much? 180. We will add this one. So what will come? 150 degree plus a equals to 180 degree. This 150 will transfer on this side. So a equals to how much? 180 degree minus 150 degree. So a equals to how much? 30 degree. 180 minus 50 is how much? 30 degree. So we have got all the x, y and z. So here what is the angles now? X equals to how much? 110 degree. Y equals to how much? 40 degree. And z equals to how much? 30 degree. Sorry, here we made the mistake. This is what? Z. Here what will come? Z will come. Remember, A it is given, Y it is given. This is what? The Z. So here Z is came how much? 30 degree. So Z is how much? 30 degree. So this Y equals to 40 because it is, you can see it is forming a Z here. It is forming what? Z. So this angle and this angle is known as the alternate interior angle. So that's why the Y is came how much? 40 degree. And here it is forming a triangle. So we will add all these three angles. It will come the 180. We will put the value of A, put the value of Y. So what will come? Z will come. So from here we have got the Z. So here question number 7 is completed.